Okay, hey guys, how are you guys doing? I am back finally with another video, and today we're going to be doing granola. The flavor is going to be Pina Colada. Vamos a hacer granola. So here I have half a cup of almonds, media taza de almendras. To that I'm going to add 1 cup of pineapple juice, una taza de jugo de piña, and 1/3 of a cup of grapeseed oil, 1/3 de taza de aceite de semilla de uva, and that's just so your granola isn't hard, because I've tasted some that are hard. So el aceite es solamente para que no esté dura la granola. And I'm going to be adding, let me see here, that would amount to 9 teaspoons of pineapple and coconut extract, or essence, how they call it, con 9 cucharaditas de esencia combinada de coco y de piña. That's the one I use, but there's some other essences that you can use that are probably more powerful. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here I already blended it, and don't worry if it's still kind of grainy or got little pieces, it's gonna get in the oven. So I'm gonna be adding, how much was in here? I forgot. Oh, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 de taza de azúcar morena. Just mix it there. Now we're gonna go on over here, and I forgot my spoon. 1 second. Okay, here I have 7 cups of oatmeal, quick oats, and I'm using the regular one. Of course, this is the one I have at the moment, but you would want to use the oatmeal that is, how do they call it? Yeah, it's a little bit whole, like the grain. It's bigger. It's not as small as this one, but it's the one I have. So we're gonna be adding 1/4 of a cup of chia seeds, 1/4 de taza de semillas de chia, 1/2 cup of pumpkin seeds, media taza de semillas de calabaza, 1/2 cup of sunflower seeds, media taza de semillas de girasol, and I have 1 cup of shredded coconut, una taza de coco rallado, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix this all up. Oh, I almost forgot. A pinch of salt, and when I say a pinch, it has to be a pinch. You don't want salty granola unless you like it that way. Okay. Una pizca de sal. Now, to that, I'm gonna add this mixture in here. Change to my, whoops. Okay, so now all you want to do is mix it. Lo van a mezclar bien. And after I mix this really well, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. I'm basically just going to put it in a cookie sheet, and then I'll tell you for how much I'll put it in the oven. Okay, so now I have a cookie sheet here. I put a little bit of oil so it wouldn't stick to the bottom. Le puse un poquito de aceite aquí a la charola, and I'm going to begin putting in the granola. And you can see how it is on the dry side, which is what you want, because you don't want your granola to be all mushy and sticking together, because you're making granola, you're not making cookies. So, ¿se fijan cómo está la avena así sequita? Que así es como tiene que quedar, porque si no, si le echan mucho líquido, entonces lo que va a pasar que se va a hacer todo así se va a pegar todo junto, y no se va a hacer granola, se va a hacer un pedazo de como de pan, todo pasmado. Is that how you say? Okay, so I'm gonna continue putting this in the trays, and you will bake it at the lowest setting, say 250 degrees. Lo van a meter al horno a 250 grados, and you will be actually letting it dry there. and you can go ahead and occasionally mix it. Lo que van a hacer es meterlo al horno, 250, creo que ya dijo eso, pero bueno, lo digo otra vez. Y van a querer que se seque, que quede sequito, y como cada 15 minutos, cada media hora pueden ir y revolverlo para que se seque bien completamente. Y ya que se seca, lo dejan que se enfríe totalmente. You're gonna let it cool after it's out of the oven and completely dry. And then you can put it into your containers, but just make sure it's completely cool, because if not, it's gonna get moist. Y antes que lo metan en el frasco donde lo van a guardar, tienen que asegurarse que esté completamente frío, que no esté caliente. So I'm gonna put this in the oven, and then I'll show you a picture with the final product, which I think I'll be putting in the beginning. But anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.